Alright. Gonna work on some things. I'm gonna have to add some more for my buddy. I'm on his Discord right now. This is my buddy, YouTuber. And he don't have a website, so I've been trying to design him one. He's happy with it. I mean, I try to see. He has up here. He has like a little logo and stuff up here. I tried getting that as close as I can. Some different. I just did some more darker random colors than his. I tried to copy this a little bit to what he wanted. I did my best to get the font he uses. I'll have his YouTube, his other link. I don't have his other links yet, so I have to get that from him. I need to see if he likes this about me that I made. And I actually have it live right now too. So if I go into, he should be able to, I'm gonna keep it live for everybody to go check it out until the end of the day or tomorrow. So it should be live. If I hit this, that link should work. Yep. So I have it live for now, so anyone can check it out. And it's not like on a dedicated server. It's not like on a domain, but this is a test link that I have active for him to check it out, and it's completely responsive. So shrink it down, and you get this little menu right here. It's got a little animation on it, which looks nice. I can go ahead and go to inspect. Works on all devices, which took me forever to get to work the way I wanted it to. Everything fits in all devices. iPhone, bigger iPhones, obviously, Pro Max, all that stuff. Galaxies, you name it, works. iPad, all that's gonna be normal. It's just gonna be a little bit bigger. An iPad, obviously. Galaxy, everything fits perfectly. This is what I was going for. This is more like a laptop, smaller version of a laptop. Everything fits nicely. I really like it. Oh man, it's a lot of code. The JavaScript, I got caught up on that. I got caught up on the JavaScript because it's been a while since I've really dealt with JavaScript. It can be easy, but it can get a little tricky. And then I have some variables right here, API key and a channel ID. So when he comes up with a new video, his latest video will show up right here. No matter if it's a short or full video, it will show up right here. This is his latest video right here. So it's just a short. So any recent video or short will pop up right here. I have it broken down in the sections. So if you hit these links, it'll pop up to different sections. Which is cool. Got a little nice little. I really love the background a lot. Now if you click any of these, it'll just take you to his YouTube channel. He's got a pretty good, decent amount of followers. He's growing though. He's getting quite a bit of subscribers every day. And then right here, I'm really happy with how this turned out. This is all his scripts and mods for his GTA or video games. I might add a section right here that's for PC specs. I might actually go ahead and add that too. Right now, I don't have his specs, but I can go ahead and add the tab there. Call out. I just added this one in. This is the only link that works. It takes me. This is my call out pack. This is how I discovered him, because he discovered me through my work and did a YouTube review on my work, which is really cool. So I'm very happy. I got 27 callouts, I think. I don't even know how many I have at this point. Tac, sim, casual callouts. He did a review on it. That's how I discovered him. I can't believe it took me 3 months to see his review.
Right hardware at fair price. Bill Redux has that. 0.0. And you can
Let me see. Maybe I can.
on the LSPDFR website. It's got over 27 call-outs in, which is crazy. And so they got a new call-out called a bar dispute. So
My call-out pack.
And then they updated some other call-outs in this pack. So we're going to be looking at some of these call-outs in today's episode. And then I will show you this vehicle pack as well. This one is from Jedediah, so it's a Blaine County Police Department mega pack. So this one
Pretty
a bit
cool.
different. It's Blaine County Police instead of Blaine County Sheriff. But the only EP I got is Sheriff.
So he did a full review on my pack.
It is a nearly all.
There's my name.
There we go.
Unfortunately,
But
two
you
guys
got
that had
a
worked on
bit
me
of orange,
took a
and
step
one
down.
back there.
They took
The
a step
majority
down,
of it is blue and
and they're working on
white.
other projects. That's fine.
Very
So I'm the
nice
only one
indeed.
currently working
There
on
are
it.
so many different vehicles in this pack. You've got literally every.
I hired
vehicle
them
under the sun.
to help me, but
And
it's what
you
it
know,
is. I'm
you've
working on
literally
by
got
myself
all
now. I
the
haven't had an
ones.
update
You've got
since
tops, you've got unmarked, you've got marked,
July 11th.
you've got light bar units, you've got it's loads. I mean, it's a mega.
So he don't have a
mega
website. So I thought I'd make him a
but
website. I'm gonna do
anyway,
it for free. I
today's
mean,
episode is
out of
mainly,
respect for
focusing on
him
this
doing what he did
call-out
for me.
So what we're gonna do?
42-minute video of my
first
call-out
call-out,
pack.
we'll do the
I had to
new
go
call-outs
through. I
and
mean,
the
it
bar
took me a
dispute, and
good
then
bit.
we'll
I had
go
to
through some
go.
of the other ones that's been updated.
So the design I was going for was kind of like this color, like a LCPDFR, the website of LCPDFR, plus his Discord and his YouTube. So I put all that together, and I got this, which kind of gives you a nice little. It looks really nice, actually.
So let's get on patrol and see what we get.
So this
into
is
today.
my call out.
23, show me 1041.
There's some bugs that I gotta work on.
Yeah.
So this is my ball out.
Alright.
This is my bar fight call out.
See you out there.
And there's 3 different scenarios, I think. A, they keep fighting and they surrender. B, one pulls out a knife and will attack the other person he's fighting. Or C, one pull out a knife and charge you, the player. So there's 3 different scenarios, I think. And then 4, they'll both end up try fleeing, try to run from you.
So this is the new call out they have added into the game for this call out. Taser out. Suspects are starting fighting. Right.
Police! Stop whatever the hell you're doing!
And you, stop. Hands up! Down to the ground! You're gonna get tased again. Stand 23 requesting backup.
LSPD! Don't make me
Copy, officer requesting backup.
Shots fired,
Alright.
shots fired.
In the Grand
So
Rapids
they
area.
looks like he charged him.
Shit. Assault. With a deadly weapon. Or a bladed article or whatever it's called. No, yeah, we will
So I'm gonna go look at his Discord. I'm gonna go down to mod list and this is gonna be his Y maps. I can probably add these links. So we have Grapesy revamp. So let's get these links here. Let's go ahead and start doing some more coding. So if I go down to, let's see, Y maps, here we go. This don't work, but I'm about to go ahead and add that in now. So let's grab this link. This should take us to where you can download it. So let's get that. Okay, let's go and find it where it's at here. So this is gonna be Gracie Revamp. Let's find it. It's gonna be under Y maps. Here we go. Now I'm gonna take that link I just downloaded. We'll put that into there. Boom. That's all we needed to do. Boom. Cool. There's that one. City lights. Go into here. Hit up Bay. Go into here for our there. That's when you're Sandy Shores. Oops. We'll go into here. And then we need I'm just gonna get out of that. I didn't realize I was live on Discord. Which one did I just do? Sandy Shores. I didn't oh crap, I didn't. I did all this by scratch. The hardest part in making websites is designing it first. I usually go to Photoshop or GIMP and I try to design how I want it to look, and then I try to go make it come to life, which can be tricky sometimes. I'm a front end developer. I really don't know too much of back end. What back end does is, like, if I have an online store, there's got to be a way. I can make it look, credit cards and all the fields and stuff. But as far as making it work, that's all back end, making the money go somewhere. And if you have a contact page, I can make the contact page in the front end, but making it work, like putting the information in and then having it go to our email where you get it, the developer, or whoever, the company, that's all back end. And I have a friend for that because I don't know too much back end. I didn't really go to online school for that. I just went for front end because I like to make everything look nice. And then better. Here we go. So all these links should work now. If I click city lights, boom. I have it go into new tab. All these go to where you can get them. Boom. Sweet. And I'm going to have that. It's going to take me a minute to figure out how to remember how to do it. It's going to be JavaScript, but I'm going to have that where it keeps an eye on his Discord, and when he updates this mod list, it will automatically update the website. So that's going to take me a second to get that to work. I could add emergency U form pack as well. I have the callouts, audio. There's a lot of stuff I got to add in here. Oh my god. So that's scripts and plugins. Do I have a script and plugins? Do not, don't think. I have other. I could add scripts and plugins in here. How do I want to do this? Visual, audio. Okay, so we got that. Let's go ahead and make shoot. Let's make a script and plugins section for right in here somewhere. So let's go up to our mod list. That's city lights. We're gonna have to do up here, so we can go up here. We'll get a button with a class of mod category, and it's just gonna have a data target. Data target, and this is gonna be scripts and plugins, and then we'll say script and plugins. Alright. Now we have to go target it. And we're gonna target that with a mod list, right? I'm trying to remember how I did this. Mod target. Yep. Okay, we're gonna go down to the bottom then. I guess we can try to put it in here, maybe. Let me see how I want to do this. Okay, let's get a div with a class. It's gonna be a mod group. It's gonna have an ID. ID of scripts and plugins. This is gonna be scripts and plugins. Let's see what's next. We can do an unordered list with a class of mod lists. It's gonna be an H4, and we're going to say I don't want to do this. Oh man, see scripts and plugins. Probably put LSPFR first response into here. Yeah, we can probably do that. I don't know what I want to put for the text. I forgot how I want to do this. I could probably put the link there. Let me see how that would look. How do I want to do this? Okay, so let's get out of that. Let's go ahead and see. Maybe we need to do. Let's try list item. Let me go look. Let me see. Let's go look at. Uh, so let's figure out the design here. So we can do. Good plugin first response. Other mods. Do I have a button? ID vehicles. Let's see, visuals. See how I want to do this here. How do I want to do this? Unordered list. Let's get this out of here. Let me copy this link. Getting close to the way I want it to be. Simple trainer. There we go. Okay, so that's kind of what I want. I could actually, let me go ahead. Actually, let's go ahead and change this to that. Okay, and we'll change this to mine. And there we go. A lot better, a lot more cleaner now. Alright, so it's gonna take me a while to do all this. I did it all by scratch. I'm a little slow right now because I gotta get all these links. I gotta get every single one of these links. And I gotta design every single one of these. Alright. Simple trainer. So we can go down to here. We got simple trainer, right? Okay, and we can come in here, we can get a list item, H4. Mod menu. And then Let me see. I'll keep that blank for a second. What's going on with this? What is going on? Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, crap. No. What am I doing? H4. There we go. I was wondering why it wasn't going on the same tab. Alright. I don't know if I want to do a paragraph, but we'll just keep that blank. I want simple training above here. Why is it not going above there? Let me see what I do. I gotta figure out how to get it above. There we go. Oh, what I could do is I could put simple trainer right here. I could put that right there, maybe. That should be. Sweet. That works. Okay, and click that. Boom. Okay, I want to open up another tab, so I need to go. All these. I need to, crap. So let's do target underscore blank. Target underscore blank. Perfect. Sweet. Alright. Make sure all these have target blank on them. They do. Sweet. So we're gonna work on his scripts. What's next? Ultimate backup. So we will go ahead, we'll come down here and we will say list item, ultimate backup. We'll just comment out the paragraph for now. Crap. I don't know what's going on with that. Oh. Sweet. Okay, there's that one. What else we got? Hello? Okay. Let's see. 1 gram, this LA back, what a background, 1 pixel solid. Alright. Oh, this is gonna take me forever. Alright, let's see. Grammar police is next. Put in a div, so we'll do LA or LI for list item. We'll put grammar police in there. We'll grab this link. That should be done. What's next? Sticky wheels. Now, I want this to show up, obviously. You'd never want someone to go away from your website. If I click this link right now, it's gonna work. It's gonna go away from your website. We don't want that. So if I do this, it'll work. It's just gonna go away from. It's gonna keep it in the same tab, and we don't want that. So we need to do target blank. I'm doing target blank for literally everything. That should open a new tab, which is obviously what we want. Copy live. Go down here. We got list item, list item, list item, list item. We got a heading 4. Keep it in a container. So we just list item. H4 seems to be working fine. Boom. And then we'll go in here. We'll say download. Boom. Obviously not gonna work until I add the link. And then we'll target. Script took the oh my god, this is a lot of code. Oh my god. Looking good, looking good. I'm getting close to the. Now, this is a script, right? This is a different section. I'm guessing this is part of the script as well. So I'll keep this on the whole. I'll keep this on the same tab for scripts. Wrap packet. What's next? Row. There's a lot of mods. Be it for that. I'll be looking. Go down. We got little scripts and plugins I added in. Click that. Boom. Looking nice. I love it. I could probably add some separation between these, but I could add some separation. Let me see. Oh, I see what I did wrong here. Haha. There we go. Looking nice. I got other. That's just for other type of stuff. Scripts and utilities. I might actually delete that. There's no need for it, I don't think. So I could just change that for now. I could probably change that to coming soon. For something else. These are just other add-ons that I could add in. I could actually comment that out for now, actually. I don't need it for now. So we need to go find our other. Be here. I might just. Why is this not getting hidden? Probably hide this. Other mods. Where am I add? I don't. Where am I adding that in? Yeah, that says other mods, but where's the button for this? Oh, wait. That ain't it. That's the nav bar. Here we go. So I don't have to disable all this. Cause long as I disable the button, ain't no one's gonna be able to see it anyway. So I could just go in here, cause we're not gonna use that for now. We'll keep it there. We'll just go ahead and we'll comment this out, and it shouldn't pop up anymore. So now I'll keep the other code the same. That way, if I ever want to come back to it, I just undo it. Boom. There we go. Scripts and utilities. We'll go ahead and comment this out as well. We don't need that one because we have a scripts and plugins now. We don't need this one for now. Oh, I accidentally added something over here by visual. Okay. Scripts and utilities. We don't need that one for now either. There you go. That looks good. Oh, I disabled the wrong one. Looks like. Yep. We'll unhide this one. All these ones work. All these links work. Okay, so that one's done. Vehicle packs. We have to go through and do that one. Call outs. We need to go through and do all the call outs. Visuals. Go through that. This one's done. As far as scripts, I think. I can go ahead and add this in as a scripts as well. Okay, add a tab into a tab, but to me this is a script anyways. I'm just gonna add it into it right here. And then we'll have to get a graphics tab as well. We'll go ahead and get the graphics tab. That should be on there now. Yep. Alright, so we'll have to get a graphics tab. I might add it. Do I want to add this? No. I forgot what I wanted to say for this one. I could add it in here. So, see, I got all these. Yeah, ID graphics. Our group. And then we can go ahead and put that there. ID graphic, model group, ID graphics. Maybe we can do a. It's gonna be on order. So we need a. I think we need an H2. So we can try H2, H3, maybe H4. Yeah, how's that look? Okay, it's adding. Let's see. I have to add a mod. Let's see, mod order list mod list. Okay, so on order class mod list item H3 or H4 graphics. Why did I do that? And that should be it. See how it looks. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Looks clean. Alright, now we can add in a audio tab. Oh my god. So we need to get a div, another class, because classes you can call, you can call a class over and over and over and over and over. But IDs are specific, which means they cannot be used besides for that tab or whatever. So I can't use graphics on another section, another area, on ID. I can't use ID on another area. It's only gonna be for that section. And I can go in here, use dot and CSS to call on the classes, and then you use a hashtag to call on IDs, which I don't know if I have one here. I should. Doesn't look like I used any IDs in here. I'm looking at. I don't remember. I don't think I did. So that means I used my ID. I used the ID to call it in C#. And let's see, did I? I should. Dot. And yes, I did. So I got a const. I got a variable called nav toggle. It's gonna be equal document. I have to get element by ID nav toggle. So if I go in here, I can find nav toggle, which is my ID, which is gonna be right here. So I'm using that in Java. Okay, so we're gonna get ID class. It's gonna be a mod list. Be an ID of audio. It's gonna be a H4 audio. And then we'll get a list item. And in this item, we'll get another H4 called whatever the audio is. And how does that look? It's not gonna show up yet because I didn't add the audio up here, the button. Okay, button. It's gonna be a class. It's gonna call on our class of mob category. It's gonna be a data target. And then I just want to make sure I don't misspell nothing, so I'm gonna copy what's here. We'll call it that again, and that should an audio tab. I don't know what's going on over here. I'm gonna look into that. Why it's not on the same side. So let's see what we did here. Okay. Let's go ahead and add this link. I think I see what's going on here. Yep, I see what's going on. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Let me delete all this. I'm an idiot. We need an unordered list. So let's make a H4. We'll call it audio mods. When you come down here, get an unordered list. And call that class of mod lists. Then we can get our list item. Then our H4. Call it audio mods. Then we can grab our link. That should fix it. Okay. What's going on with that? All the programming, man. Gotta figure out what's going on. Oh, I see. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Cool. We'll keep graphics. We'll keep audio mods on that side, and we'll keep that over there on that side. Sweet, that works. Then we need to do why does it do that? And then we'll do we'll keep that on the right side. I can move that over. I might move it over, but for now I'll keep it on that side. Could position. Let's see. Do I want to? I might position it. I see what I did wrong too. Idiot. There we go. I want to have that organized. There we go. So there's our audio tab. That one's completed. Everything works. Callouts. We already have a callout tab. Taxim's the only one that works. And I'll probably go through and take some of the descriptions that people put on their callouts for a paragraph. So you can get, like, for my callout pack, I have 27 various callouts with many outcomes, which they do. I'm not sure why I added this. I think I just added it to get the design in there. For now, I'll probably disable them because I don't think they really exist. I think I made it just for dummy purposes to get the design I wanted. So for now, we'll just disable that. We'll come back to that. So we need to go to callout tab. Where's callouts here? Here. So we'll go ahead. We'll just disable this whole. We want callouts, but we do not want. So what we'll do. We're going here, and we will end it here. And then we have to go up to the button. So we'll go up to the button here in a second. Right now we're just going to disable these. We're not going to use them for now. And then we'll take this. And then we'll have to go up here. And we'll find our buttons. Right? Button. No, if I disable that, it's gonna. This is all about programming. Gotta figure out what we're doing with that. If I disable this, it's gonna disable the whole callout section up here. So that's not it. Let's go back down. I can't disable this, right? Yeah, it completely broke it. Okay, I figured it would do that. Why are we getting these little areas here? Let me think about this. Think about this here for a second. I think I see it now. I see it. Why does it not let me? Wait, what? There we go. Oh man, gotta use my brain a little bit here. Brain's getting tired, but it's working. Okay, so we have just one. Right now we can start from scratch. If I need to undo all this, all I gotta do is uncomment it out. All I gotta do is come in here, take these, and we can just have it back just like that. So I'm not really worried if I need to decide to use that. How many lines of code does this one have? Are you serious? God. C#, what about the C#? Or CSS. 820 lines of code. I wrote all that, dude. There's no way. I guess when you're coding, you really don't think about it. You're just flying through it. JavaScript ain't gonna have a lot, but this is making this work, making this open and stuff. So without this line of code, there's a lot of stuff that ain't gonna work. So that's my variables. And right here, see, I got for each link open, and then I'm having it automatically drop down to the different sections when you hit these different sections. So videos. Yeah, this ain't loading. I'm gonna fix that though. Let me see if here it is. Okay, source. I need to get the ID for YouTube, the API. Channel ID string. No, here it is. Right here. Oh, that ain't it. Shoot. Here it is. Okay. Just wonder if it updates automatically. No, it hasn't updated yet. I have to refresh it on the live server. I don't know why that's not loading. I need to figure that out. Enable it again. Hmm. Maybe I can. Alright, I just gotta relaunch it. Now I gotta figure out why this ain't working. I don't know why it just stopped working. Let's see if we can get the API again. I'll repaste the API. YouTube. YouTube data. Manage. Where's my credentials? API key. Show. Here we go. So it looks like it's the same code here. It broke on me some reason. Okay, weird. Think about this. Let's see. Don't know. Think about this. Let me see if it pops up on the website here. Nope. The hell? Let me try to change my. Let me get a new key, maybe. Delete. Maybe it's my actual API code instead of the channel code. Go to API services, credentials. Try that. Maybe I'll make it public. So user data, I'll make it public. Alright, I got a new key. Hopefully this works. I gotta look into this. I can't seem to find the code anymore for the channel ID. I have to look this up. Dude, why did it stop working? Okay, let me try. I'm gonna fix it. I gotta figure out where the problem is. Oh my god, I didn't realize how many comments I make every time I do something. I always make comments. Always make comments. So other YouTubers or other developers, when they go through, they know what if they're not sure what something does, it gives them an example of what something does. I've always done that. That's how I was taught in my school. So if other developers look at something, they're like, oh, okay, this is gonna be for the YouTube channel. Oh, this is gonna be their API for us. This is the channel we want to target. This is the API key on our end. And I have some other information here. API integration, my list tabs, footer year, mobile nav. Why is it not working? Why is it not loading anything? Okay, that's something I gotta fix. Mm. I'm trying to look it up. I'm actually kind of need some help right now. I don't know why it broke. Uh, let's try. The channel ID. Here's the code right here. That's the code I have. I think. That's what I have. I have. It broke on me, dude. No. Oh, that's always fun. Okay, that didn't work. Um. Okay, let me go back to AP services. Okay, let's create. We'll create another project. We'll call it Sim Website 1. We'll make a new one. See what happens here. Weird, man. Weird. I'll try another key. Okay. I'm about to come back to that. I don't know what's going on with that. I wasn't paying attention when it broke. I wish I knew. I wish I was paying attention so I could see where it broke at. I mean, I'm gonna fix it. I just gotta figure out where it broke. Something I did broke it. And I don't know what exactly broke it. But if I could start commenting some stuff out. We just comment out our audio tab here. That didn't do that wasn't a problem. No problem there. Something to do with J. It's gotta be something to do in here. And we're gonna fix it, but I just gotta figure out why it broke, when it broke, how it broke. But I have this is the YouTube channel ID. This is my API. Hmm. Okay, let me think about this for a second. Let me look at this one more time. It's gotta be something here. Oh man. Something broke it. And I think I might have found the issue. This could have broke it. You can't have spaces in IDs. Wow. I didn't fix it, I don't think. But either way, that could have caused issues. What about? Uh-huh. I didn't fix it either. Oh, okay. Well, I didn't fix it. Thought it would. Okay, on to next steps. Mm, Not sure this caused issues being capitalized or not. What if I take? Oh man, what did I do? Trying to look some of this stuff up because I'm so confused. Okay, let's see. I'm not sure. I don't think that has. I don't think it matters being capitalized. I'm not sure. Oh, you know what? Does that matter? I don't think that matters, does it? Oh, you know what? Wait, go back. I did a slash. Am I not supposed to be adding a slash? I don't think so. Still ain't loading though. Good job. Let me go back to the source code here. Hmm. Why is it not working? Man, I'm getting error. What does error mean? Look that up. 403. Here's my problem right here. What the hell is this? I didn't restrict it. I enabled it, right? I didn't disable it. Let's see. God, bro. Oh, I didn't enable it. I'm an idiot. Should load here in a second now. I'm an idiot. Yeah, okay, now it's on. Now I can go to credentials. I'm a freaking idiot. Put our new key in here. I'm an idiot, bro. I can't believe I didn't enable it. I'm a freaking idiot. How did I miss that? Okay. All that for one little thing I forgot to enable the key. Well, it is 9 o'clock after all, but I got a lot done. Here's all the scripts. Here's the graphics mods. There's the audio. Finally got the videos to work again.
Looks like we've got a shot spotter around here. Just
I'll stage EMS near your location, near the Galileo Park Observatory, on Mount.
Now I gotta refresh it because it's not working. So I'm gonna go ahead and. How can I refresh it though? It's not like updating it when something's going on. Gotta be a way I can refresh it, right? I could just use this for the website. I won't have my own domain, but it works. People can visit it. I could do a domain. Gotta be a way I can refresh this. Alright, I don't have one. I gotta buy one. Okay. I need to figure out how to refresh this. Oh, maybe I could just. Wait, does that actually work? That refreshes it? Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's how I can refresh it. Oh. Well, I guess that's gonna be it for now. I got a lot done. And tomorrow, I got a lot more stuff I gotta work on. Getting all the. Getting all. But actually, before I go, I think I'm gonna go ahead. I don't know his specs of his PC. I need to find that out. I know people probably would love to know his specs. I think we're gonna go ahead and add a section for that, for PC specs. I think that'd be a little cool little section to add in. So we'll go up here and get a button somewhere. Get a button. Where we at? Here we go. We'll get a button, man. And we're gonna call this a class. This is gonna be also a mob category with the data type or data target of specs. PC specs. Boom. And then we'll go ahead and get prepared for that. We're gonna say like stuff like I9. We say I don't know GPU. We're just looking for something dummy stuff here. RTX 4050. How's that look? Oh crap. And then we'll come up here. What did I name it? Shoot. What I'll do is I'll say GPU. I can come down here in paragraph. RTX 4050. That looks nice. So I like that. Looks nice. We could say, I don't know, gram. We could say paragraph. We'll just do some dummy text for now. I like that. Looking good, looking good. I can also add links if people want to download the graphics card that I have, so I can, or whoever what he has. So we can just come in here. We can just get a URL that's not going to go nowhere for now. That should give us a little. Doesn't go nowhere yet. Okay, we can live with that. So we're gonna say, we're just gonna blur that out for now. No, we'll keep it there. Yeah. We'll keep it there. So, looking good. I can't believe I forgot to enable the API. Okay, so let me go ahead and let me get the code on my phone and check it out on my phone. Where's my history at? So we need to get the other URL, which is, oh, so I can type that in my phone, we can check it out. Sim later. Net There we go. Looks nice, looks clean. Yeah. Looks clean. On mobile devices. Now I didn't update it. It doesn't have the specs yet because I'm not gonna put the specs in there for live yet because this is dummy text. I don't know his specs, so I'm not gonna add that into the upload to the live version of it being on the air and being live. So you can't see it in here. I'm not gonna I'm gonna keep working on it in here. So I'm not gonna put that obviously because this is inaccurate stuff. It's dummy text. Just getting it ready. Oh my god, I worked so hard on this. All this from scratch. I had an idea. When was it? Thursday night. I had an idea of what I wanted to do. I wanted a combination from his Discord, his YouTube channel, and LSPFR. I wanted to kind of look like an LSPFR type website, but not copy everything. But I wanted to kind of combine everything into his own, which is why he does a lot of LSPFR content. So I kind of went with a nice little blue and yellow, just doesn't look exactly like LSPFR because I wasn't trying to copy the colors exactly. That's why I spread the colors out. I didn't want blue over here, red over here. I just kind of spread them out. Didn't want to copy everything. So I just wanted to get. This is kind of the idea I was going for, though. Discord doesn't work. I haven't added his Discord yet, so that doesn't go nowhere. It just refreshes. That just goes to his YouTube channel. If they want to look for some fixes there. Don't know his Twitch and stuff, so I just added it in there for just add it in there. That will be coming soon when I talk to him. Figure out what he wants. But I wrote all this from scratch. I got a headache. I really do. I got a bad headache. I've been working on this nonstop for that's Thursday night. Then I took a break because I had to get my computer. I got a new graphics card. I put everything out of this old case into a new case. But it didn't take me long to program this from scratch. I just had an idea and I kind of went with it. And it's a lot of classes. It's really not. It looks overwhelming. Believe it or not, the JavaScript was the hardest part. I ain't gonna lie. I had to get some help from a friend a little bit on the JavaScript because I'm not as fluent with JavaScript as I am these two. But I did most of it, but I just needed help with this stuff right here to make the YouTube work with the website whenever it checks his YouTube channel for when he uploads it, automatically uploads into this. That was the hardest part. I needed a little bit of help for that, but other than that, not bad. I'm not really fluent with JavaScript. I did it in my school, but I'm just not really fluent with it yet. So that's gone. That's nice. So okay. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Alright, I'm gonna take a break. Peace out, guys.